Yamuna Biodiversity Park, and floodplain restoration. Welcome to today's discussion on a pressing issue, Yamuna Biodiversity Park and floodplain restoration. The Yamuna Biodiversity Park and floodplain restoration have come into focus in the aftermath of recent floods. These restoration projects have shown varying responses to the inundation, prompting us to explore effective approaches. Amidst the floods, the Yamuna Biodiversity Park emerged largely unscathed. However, areas like Asita East near Ito Bridge faced water accumulation, raising questions about the differing outcomes. This rejuvenated wetland acts as a natural reservoir, absorbing excess water during floods and releasing it gradually. The park's resilient grasslands with strong root systems also bounce back post-flooding. Floodplains, including grasslands and wetlands, play a crucial role. They prevent floods and erosion while supporting water quality and ecosystem health. Additionally, they recharge groundwater and act as a barrier during flood events. Floodplains also sustain livelihoods, accommodating settlements and supporting agriculture, daily labor, fishing, and animal herding. These fertile areas deposited by the river enrich the soil, enabling the successful cultivation of traditional crops like rice, wheat, and flowers. However, floodplains face challenges, including urbanization and encroachment. Construction projects like the Commonwealth Games Village encroach upon these vital areas. An inadequate policy framework and climate change impacts exacerbate the challenges. The master plan lacks comprehensive floodplain zoning provisions, and climate change intensifies flood risks. River constriction due to construction limits natural flow and leads to pollution concerns, affecting the river's health. To address these issues, preserving floodplains and improving policies is crucial. Encroachments must be halted, and floodplain zoning model 1975 needs to be included in the master plan. The NDMA issued guidelines in 2008 for floodplain zoning, emphasizing its importance as a non-structural measure to mitigate floods. Building climate-resilient infrastructure is essential to withstand heavy rains and flooding. River health and drainage systems must also be improved to prevent flooding and manage water flow effectively. Developing green areas aids in natural water absorption and contributes to flood prevention. Encouraging community engagement fosters responsibility while incorporating objective standards enhances the effectiveness of restoration efforts. Strong and independent institutions, along with policy improvements, are vital to uphold restoration principles. In conclusion, the diverse responses to restoration projects after floods highlight the need for effective restoration approaches. Learning from both success and adversity, India can harness the potential of floodplains to mitigate floods, enhance water quality, and preserve biodiversity, ensuring a harmonious coexistence between the river and its surroundings. Thanks for joining us.